Hello everyone. Today let's try and fix this OnePlus Bullet Z2 Bluetooth earphones or a Bluetooth neckband. So as you can see here, one side earbud, the sleeve has broken, and if it's left like this, further the wire will break and you will not be able to hear from the earbud. So there are two methods. One is we need to cut open the earbuds or unlock and open it and solder the wire inside, cut the wire and then solder it. And another method which I am going to show to you in this video is without cutting, without soldering or without opening the earbud, we will fix this sleeve. So for fixing it, first adjust it and check if it's possible to fix this sleeve itself. So as you can see here, it's not broken too much, it's not into pieces. So this sleeve itself, it can be fixed. So for fixing this, just take a 4 mm heatsink tube. So cut this tube, just shape it up properly, then cut open it as shown in this video here. So after cutting, just insert the cable into the sleeve as shown. Okay, now take Araldate fast, that is Araldate clear, that sets up in only 5 minutes. So this is the resin and one more is hardener. So we need to mix both together, but remember one thing, that both the elements should be of equal quantity. Now I am taking 1 drop each. If the quantity does not match, then the adhesive will not dry completely. It will become sticky and it will be irritation to the ears. So mix it thoroughly. Mix it thoroughly until the transparent loose bit becomes somewhat like translucent. Open the sleeve and apply the araldite, mixed araldite on one side. Thin coat, not too thick. Do not apply too much of araldite. It will stick to the sleeve of the earphone. So just the side which you have applied the adhesive should be on the top, and the other side which was cut should come under the applied side. Make it into ring. Just take a tweezer, hold both the sides, that is the sleeve sides, and keep it under pressure for nearly 5 to 10 minutes. As you can see, the adhesive has dried now. So just we will remove it. One more thing is we need to mix once again a drop of each resin and hardener. Mix it thoroughly. While mixing, see that the resin will not touch the hardener cap or the hardener tube. It will dry there itself. So mix it thoroughly. Until it becomes translucent, not transparent. It will somewhat milky. So now apply it to the broken end of the earbud where the sleeve is broken. Now shape the sleeve properly, then apply the adhesive all around the sleeve along with the rubber that holds the sleeve where the wires are inserted. So just apply it all around. Also note that I did not get the 4 mm of heatsink tubes, red color one. I had a green color 4 mm heatsink tubes, so I used them, grayish green somewhat. Just after applying the adhesive on the earbud along with the sleeve, just push the heatsink tube above the adhesive. Just push it, do not push it too hard, just until the space where the neck is covered. Just push it until the neck. Take a hot air gun or a blower or hair dryer, just shrink the tube. Just push the tube, push and hold, and then shrink the tube so that the tube will hold the earphone cable firmly. So after hitting it just now, you can just keep it aside and allow the adhesive to dry. If you wish, you can apply the roulette on the heatsink tube a little bit as well. After it dries, just you can see now it's firm. And fix the earbud. See, it does not break now. It is firm. In this way, now we will do the same thing for, I will do the same thing for another earphone as well as the control unit. Here the control one. Here also you can see the sleeve has broken. So here, as the area is not so thick, I will use a 3 mm red color. As you can see here, I applied adhesive. Now shrink the tube and we are good to go. It's done. So both the earphones as well as the control unit side, I have fixed the heatsink tubes. This one, it was completely broken. Now as you can see, it is fixed properly. Now one more thing I would like to say, that as the color is different, if you want, you can use a red marker and cover the different color heatsink tubes. Hope this video is going to be helpful for you in fixing the sleeves of OnePlus earphones. Thank you for watching everyone. Have a good time.